Happy New Year, everybody. This is Successful Trading. I could not help myself. This is the end of the first week of 2022, and I wanted to share you this story that a trader posted on our Discord room today. It's obviously about day trading. Here are the channels in case you have not had a chance to see inside of our Discord channel here at Successful Trading. Here are day trading, swing trading strategy, all of the one that's you may have seen videos on. And here I want to bring you here. Let's start right here at the Just Winners. So today, Miss Aisha, a brand new trader, surprised all of us. I guess she saved it for. It was midday. It was midday today on Friday, January the 7th, 2022. Well, this is the story. She made 3,508% return. Here's a better picture here for those who say that I move too much. Trading Netflix 550 puts. So then she shared with us. I mean, you can come and read the full story here inside of our Discord if you will. It's open to everybody. The trade idea that's led her to this trade. Is it under trade ideas? Yes, this was it. So January 5th, this is what I posted. Next weekly chart started bearish momentum last week and it's confirming so far this week. The stock has bounced off current level balance. Lower Bollinger Band is acting as the closest support. At the time, the lower Bollinger Band here, my friend, was here. Here's a chart here of the daily chart of Netflix. This is Webull, and you can learn how to read chart on Webull if you're a beginner trader by going to successfultradings.com. So in here, 546 was that's the lowest price, the lower Bollinger Band. So she picked the 550. So my friends, I could not be more excited for a trader than this one. Again, she is relatively brand new here, less than a couple of months with us. So this is what we illustrate, that day trading, swing trading can be very lucrative even if you're a beginner. So the rest of the week for us, really, I'm just going to give you a quick highlight on here. So if I go to the Telex update, this was the option chain, the option watch list that we were trading. So for instance, on the 5th, I mean, QQQ was a 10-bagger itself. Roku paid puts. Yeah, this week you had to trade puts to make money for the most part. So Roku here, 882%. Riot, 682%. I love this trade here, like Riot, right? So the option is paying 682%. Yet look at the price of the contract. The bid is 64 cents. The ask is 69 cents. My friend, this option was as low as 6 cents. For QQQ, the option was as low as 57 cents on this day, January. When was this? January the 5th. And at the close here, $9.47 on the bid. Are you kidding me? Or 39 cents on Netflix. This 560 that we traded here this week from 36 cents. At this time here, they were worth $3.70. So this is the beginning of the year. I don't know what your New Year resolution has been. And I mean, here was it here, the 5th here early. I mean, you can see the entire day here. On the 4th, how was it? So on the 4th, well, how we were making money on JD puts, Dash puts, Etsy, Nvidia puts. Yes, again, these are real price codes. So this watch list is shared with our traders at Successful Trading Discord every Thursday. So I'm not sure what your New Year resolution as a trader is, but I will strongly invite you find a way to get into our Discord to start enjoying these great trades. Thank you for your time. We see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.